So it's a very nice day at the end of April. The sun is shining, the birds are chirping, the snow is blowing. Yeah, you know, it's not global warming this time. It is definitely Mother Nature who decides to get wet whenever. Who snows at the end of April? There's 3 days until May. Who decides to snow? Mother Nature. Mother Nature. I'm telling you. It's not global warming. This bitch just doesn't know when to not get wet. It looks like there's things coming out of my head. Okay, so I'm not going outside in that. But here is what April brings you. Anyways, this is a quick little video. I do remember April 2007, we had a snow day when I was in 10th grade. But this is worse. That was the beginning of April, this is the end. Anyways, I'm gonna go before I shoot something.